Where is dropshipping headed? Is it going to die out soon? What's up everyone, Sri Kanasa here, and today we're going to be talking about where exactly dropshipping is headed in 2018 and onwards. So like always, if you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below. We're almost at 500 subscribers when I'm recording this video, which is 25th of April. I really want to take the time to thank you all, whoever subscribed to the channel and you find value in my videos. The positive comments do definitely help me keep on going with these videos, and in return helping you guys with your own Shopify stores and your e-commerce journey. Hit that like button and also let me know down in the comment section if you have any questions. I'm always open to suggestions as well, and I'm also answering every single comment out there. So let's jump right into this video. There has been a lot of talk recently that dropshipping is headed in a negative direction, and I don't blame a lot of these people because there have been many things that have been ongoing with dropshipping in general. And some of these things which I outline in this Google Doc is that many credit card gateways and PayPal are taking harsh actions against stores with a high delivery time. And this is really affecting us dropshippers because when we dropship from AliExpress, it takes 12 to 20 days, and in these payment gateways and PayPal's eyes, that's considered a long time. And because of the amount of chargebacks that such dropshipping stores do have to go through, mainly because they have bad customer service, it is taking a toll on every single dropshipper out there. And in such a time, we have to adapt to the changes, like I always say, and change with the changing times. In addition, such a negative direction can be also seen with Facebook ads. I just got off a call with the Facebook representative who is the manager of my ad account, and according to this manager, there are a rising amount of advertisers for the Facebook advertising platform, and this is causing the Facebook ads to give bad results because there are so many auctions going on. And if you guys don't know, Facebook ads does work on an auction basis, but such an increase in the advertisers is really causing all of the statistics with Facebook advertisements to go up tremendously. And since you guys do follow me, I'm obviously going to tell you a solution or two regarding these changes and how you can battle them and continue on your e-commerce journey. Don't worry, this is not the end. In fact, this is just the beginning for dropshipping in general. And I have Google Trends opened up here. I just want to show you guys the current trend of dropshipping searches. So let's just head on over to the Google Trend. And as you can see, it has been stable over time. It hasn't gone up or down way too much. But in this month, in April specifically, you can see a big spike. Compared to the others, this is a somewhat of a bigger spike. And if we look at the past 12 months, let's see what kind of spikes there were in dropshipping. So again, it has been very steady over time, but definitely there's an increase in the amount of searches for dropshipping. And if we go all the back to 2004 to present, there's definitely somewhat stability, but then in the recent years, it has been increasing tremendously, as you can see over here. And this just lets you know that the ad account manager that I just spoke to was absolutely right. There is an increased interest in dropshipping, and this is causing a lot of these new marketers to jump on a Facebook ads to advertise. But don't worry, the solutions aren't that very difficult. It will definitely require some extra effort from your side, but dropshipping in general is not headed towards doom. It's just that we have to adapt to these changes and make small little changes that could help us continue on our e-commerce journey. So let's scroll down and see what the solutions I have to offer. Alright, so the very first solution is branching out into different advertising platforms. As the ad account manager mentioned, there are a lot of people going on Facebook ads. And in such a time, we don't want to focus just on Facebook ads, but we want to branch out. We may want to go into Google ads or Pinterest ads, Twitter ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads. There are a whole bunch of advertising platforms that you can use and still make a killing out of e-commerce. And I have personally jumped into these other advertising platforms as well. And even though it will require some extra effort from my side to again learn these different advertising platforms, in the end, it's definitely going to be worth it. Another solution that I have is that you need to think about importing your products to US warehouses or find US suppliers. The shipping time is one of the biggest things that impacts your business. and the rating it gets. So in order to have a faster shipping time, you need to consider importing it to a US warehouse if you do advertise mostly in the United States, because the decreased shipping time will definitely lure a lot of extra potential customers to your stores and also increase your ratings. If you guys don't know, Facebook Ads has implemented a rating system on their advertising platform, which means your ad account gets a rating from 1 to 5. And if the rating is anywhere less than 2 or 1.5, then every single ad that you put out is going to have a lower and lower reach, and it's just going to cost you 2 times more to get similar results as someone else would with a higher rating. And this is really important because those ratings are influenced by a customer satisfaction rate. Some of the main things that do influence the rating are shipping time, customer service, quality of the products, etc. So you definitely have to be focusing more on long term and preparing to send some of your winning products to US warehouse. You don't necessarily have to do this if you don't have any winning products just yet, but once you do find your winning products, definitely speak to some US warehouses and try to find one that fits your needs. In fact, if you join my Facebook group, and the link is down in the description below, I'll even help you guys find some good US warehouses. Or I'll even link you guys up with the one that I currently use, and I could get you some really good deals. So be sure to join my Facebook group. The link is down in the description below, and it's completely free and full of knowledge. So this was just my basic thinking on drop shipping and where it exactly is headed. There has been a lot of talk about this, but do not worry, it's definitely not ending anytime soon. You just have to step up your game and try things differently. I do hope this video was helpful for you all, and if it was, be sure to smash that like button. I'll see you next time.